Every year, nearly 2 million workers suffer work-related musculoskeletal injuries, and more than 500,000 of those workers lose time from work as a result. These conditions are a direct result of activities that create stress or strain on a particular part of the body. The disorders are serious enough to cause an affected worker to miss, on average, 8 days of work per year. These musculoskeletal disorders are referred to as MSDs. In the healthcare profession, there are numerous tasks that can cause MSDs, from the way a worker lifts a box, uses a computer, handles a lab sample, or assists a patient. These are some of the risk factors for MSDs. Awkward postures, the amount of physical force exerted, and repetition of the same function or continuous contact stress to the same part of the body. Ergonomics has become the most effective tool for not only reducing workplace-related injuries and illnesses, but at the same time increasing worker productivity.
Do you have any problems, any health problems, with your arms, your neck?
OSHA defines ergonomics as a science of fitting workplace conditions and job demands to the capabilities of the working population. The most effective ergonomics involve input from both the employees and the employer. By effectively fitting the workplace to the task, some employers have been able to drastically reduce and in some cases eliminate musculoskeletal disorders altogether. A comprehensive ergonomics program will go a long way to providing a work environment that employees can thrive in. A comfortable, ergonomically sound workstation should be the norm, not one in which workers feel the potentially negative effects of their physical tasks. Work with your staff to determine the good and bad of their settings and make the necessary changes. Once that is done, everyone benefits.